Welcome to 90 days challenge of learning with Blue Ocean Compliance. Yes, today we are in day 5 of this learning challenge. Today I am going to share with you another reason that companies get warning letters. This is the journey or together of 90 days, and in 90 days we will be learning so many observations and reasons for which the manufacturing companies have got warning letter. And we can do this thing that we can apply these learnings on our manufacturing site and can avoid getting the warning letter for these observations. It is not necessary that whatever observations other companies has got, the same observation you are going to get. And even USFDA inspectors declare that they do not ensure that there will be no other observation than the observations they have given in the regulatory inspections. So here I am discussing about the USFDA warning letters, but these concepts and basics are applicable for all the markets, and you can apply these high standards of CGMP on your site irrespective of any country you are exporting your product for, right? And if you are manufacturing the product for any market, so if you will apply these basic concepts, so obviously the level of your compliance on your site will be very high. And even if you are the founder, you are manufacturer, or if you are doing the job, or you are responsible or not responsible for the compliance, but if you will learn these principles and apply these principles, and even if you will be aware about these principles, so it is really going to add a lot of value in your career, in your behavior, in your habits, right? Okay, so today what I am going to share with you that the warning letter is given for 21 CFR 211.42B. So according to the this section of 21 CFR 211, the warning letter was given because manufacturing companies were not having sufficient space for the packing and labeling, and there was not sufficient space to perform the activity, and there are high chances of cross-contamination. Many times it is seen that there are a lot of products are there, and multiple products are packed on the same area, and multiple products have different labels, right? And all labels are placed at the same area, and all people are packing at the same place, and there are high chances of mixing of the product level. So if there will be mixing of the product level, so what will happen, that there are chances that the label of one product or one potency may be possible that they may mixed with the other potency product or label. For many times these warning letters are also given that the not warning letter but product market complaint have received that the different potency of the product is mixed in different potency product. For example, if I say that there is a product for the BP, right, to control the BP, so there may be possible one patient is of high BP and another patient is of the low BP. Now there will be different potency of the products, and maybe characteristics will be also different. But if the labels are mixed or exchanged, then what will happen? It is possibility that the person or patient who is suffering from high BP may be getting the medicine of the low BP, and the person who is suffering from the low BP, they may be getting the medicine of the high BP. So this kind of problems may happen, this kind of issues can happen, and for that regulatory authorities suggest that there should be sufficient space that the activities or whatever task you are doing must be performed properly at sufficient space. Today, these were the learning. With this, Dr. Rupali Paranjape signing out until we meet again. But yes, keep on listening and watching to these videos, our 90 days challenge. Thank you.